Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube no comments yet problem. If you are facing no comments yet on YouTube, it usually not a real absence of comments. It often a technical or setting issues. Let's see how to fix YouTube no comments yet problem solve. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. Check your internet stability or connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected or stable connection. Step 2. Turn on airplane mode and wait 30 seconds, then turn off. Step 3. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 4. Open Play Store. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 5. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Again open your YouTube application. Scroll down, click any YouTube channel, click on comments. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube no comments yet problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.